areas of similar triangle we are going to learn. In this theorem, we are going to find the area of respective triangles. Given respective triangles, those triangles are similar, but there only one side is considered, means here height is not given in this triangle. So what is the step to find out the areas of these two similar triangles? So the theorem is based on that property that is called as theorem of areas of similar triangle. Heading of this theorem is theorem of areas of similar triangle. Write down theorem statement from textbook. This is the figure. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, these two triangles are given similar. In theorem statement, only given is the triangles are similar, and then we are going to find out the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. This is the theorem statement. So the theorem statement only given part is the two triangles are given similar only. So our triangles are triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. This is given part. To prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square equal to AC square upon PR square. Now see the numerator ABC, AB, AC and BC. AB, AC and BC sides of triangle. Here also denominator PQ, QR and PR, PQ, QR and ER. So only the corresponding sides ratios are considered here in the proof. So by construction, we construct perpendicular from vertex A and AD is perpendicular to BC. Similarly, from vertex P, ES is perpendicular to QR. This is by construction. Now proof. Areas of two similar triangles are given. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given. Since the triangles are similar, so their sides are in proportional. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. CSST equation number 1. Now we are finding the areas of these two similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to base multiplied by height. Base of the triangle is BC and height is AD upon, again base is QR multiplied by PS. It is equal to, now we separate the product, BC upon QR multiplied by AD upon PS. The same one, only products are separated. So this is our equation number 2. Now we consider the triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Follow the figure. ABD and triangle PQS. In this two triangle, angle B is congruent to angle Q because triangles are given similar. So similar triangle, angles are congruent. So one pair of the angle we are considering here. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. This is given. Angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ because this D angle and S angle by construction we make 90 degrees, so they are congruent, and the reason is each 90 degree or right angle triangles. You can write down any reason. Therefore, triangles are similar by AA test. A triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS by AA test of similarity. Now triangles we prove similar. Then the ratios AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS equal to AD upon PS. CSST equation number 3. Now follow all the 3 equations. First equation, we show all the 3 sides are proportional. That is, the ratios are AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. Second equation, BC upon QR multiplied by AD upon PS. That is the areas ratio. And the third equation, we prove these ratios. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, AB upon PQ in the first ratio equal to BC upon QR from the first ratio only. It is equal to, now here third ratio, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. So these two are equal by first and third, and these two are equal by second and first. So altogether, result of first 2 and 3, equation 1, 2 and 3, all the 3 ratios are equal. This is our equation number 4. Now again, the same statement we are writing, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to base multiplied by height upon base multiplied by height. BC upon QR multiplied by AD upon PS. Now, AD upon PS we are replacing from equation 4, BC upon QR. From equation 4, we can replace these two are equal. Therefore, AD upon PS and BC upon QR, both are equal. So here in place of AD upon PS, we are writing BC upon QR from equation number 4. BC into PC, BC square upon QR into QR, QR square. Therefore, if one ratio we prove, the other ratios are also same way we can prove, so they are equal. Therefore, areas of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AD square upon PQ square equal to BC square upon QR square equal to AC square upon QR square. So using this theorem, we can find out the area when only one corresponding sides of the triangles are given.